That was DRS 66423 running Grangemouth to Aberdeen Craig Inches with a lovely one tone. Now we've got a 170 service. (170-402) running Glasgow Queen Street to Aberdeen. That's the 170-419 running Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street with a brilliant four-tone there. We've got an LNER HST from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. (43 314) and 43 239. Now we've got an EWS/DB 66. (66 080) and 66 130 running Aberdeen Waterloo to Mossendon Yard. Now about to pass, we've got an LNER HST service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. (43 251) on the front. And 43 257 bounds green on the rear. And that's running from Arbroath into Seaside, then back to Arbroath. Then it's going to form a service to Edinburgh Waverley. Now we have the 170-412 running Arbroath URS to Arbroath.